Welcome, Forex traders, to this weekly Forex forecast for EURUSD, GBPUSD, pound dollar, pound Swissy, pound whatever you want to happen. My name is Ivan Middle, Forex trader, economist, and helper. I am going to guide you today that we are going to go through some updates for the trades we're going through that we are trading at the moment. So yeah, just stay tuned and be happy and ask questions. And if you have any pairs you want me to cover, then that would be amazing. So yeah, let me just find a chat. We have a chat here. Then we are good. Awesome. So welcome to the weekly Forex forecast for EURUSD, GBPUSD, pound yen, gold, and all those things. Okay, then just want to go through my link to see that you see everything is going on. Zealand is here. That's awesome. Then we are good. Yeah, everything is good. Hello, Connor. So, yep. I just want to do that, and that, and that. So, good. Then we're going. So, which pair do you want me to cover first? Where are we going first? What is the first thing we will do? Anything is awesome? We have Euro USD coming in. Okay, Euro USD. Good. Euro. So what the performance I really wanted to happen was that I wanted this to hold. It didn't. It went down to the weekly central pivot. Fine with me. I have an entry here. I closed it because I saw this new breakout. And later on, we just skyrocketed up. Okay. Interesting. Now we skyrocketed up to this resistance level here. And we went down again. I don't like that. I want it to hold here for the natural process of going higher, nice and smooth. That makes this 109.40 more vulnerable. We need more push tomorrow. So we're almost back to entry of today. That's not what I want to see. But are we going to close? No, I'm not going to close anything. I have my stop loss where I want my stop loss to be, where it's supposed to be, and everyone, and where I always wanted to have it. But this webinar does not contain any investment advice. It's only for education purposes. Trading Forex is risky and not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. What's happened in the past doesn't need to happen in the future. And it's high risk, high reward. You can lose your money anytime soon. We can see all the USD pairs because they move the most. Okie dokie. That's okay. Then I just want to look at myself. We're all good. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay. Good. So I don't know if plan A is this, just up to this resistance again tomorrow, or if we are doing this and then that. It's definitely something that I need to look forward to. It definitely shows weakness, and it definitely kicks the feet of my plans. But hey, we don't know the future. This is still the plan. That's what I want to see happening. As a buyer, seller, you get your entry here. As a seller, didn't get got stop loss. You're out. Wait for next week, next Monday. That's that. Okay, good. Then who else would want to do pound dollars? So we're still on track. A bit more bearish than I wanted to. Also, we have FOMC, we have the ECB. And when the ECB comes out, this can just crash and flash. And it can just rise So anything can happen then. And I think I want to... Do I want to be in that trade? Maybe, maybe not. I don't fancy it. So that's that. Okay. Fine. And everyone can see me? Good. So, oh, we are going up again. So the same thing with pound dollar. We still have the target of 25.50. Today it's supposed to be doing this and holding this as support. We shall see tomorrow what happens tomorrow, but yeah, okay, fine, good enough. So can this just happen? Yeah, okay, it can. But what has happened really now today is that we have a new high, which I expected, so kudos to that trade planning. We have a new high. We have a new higher low. So we're still on track. Unless it starts going down below 124, we're still bullish. Okay? We're all good on that. So we're still on track. That in itself should give me a like, because we're all on track. No, that's the market. So good. Fair enough, square enough. We are continuing into, which one was it now? Pound dollar. We're just doing pound dollar here. See? So, okay. That's the target. Very fair and square. Very straightforward with you. That's the target. If price ever comes below and closes body below 124, close. That's how easy it was. If you have an entry better than that, that's where your stop loss should be, or below. Dollar pairs, okay. That's take profit. Ding, 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 ding. Boom. Yeah. Straight out of the gates. That's what I wanted to see this week on EURUSD and pound dollar. Straight up like a rocket. Didn't happen, but that's what I wanted to see. Okay. So what do we have here? We have from open to take profit 94 pips. Congratulations. Awesome. Nothing else to say about. If you think this one is going lower, then you need a reversal pattern that looks something like this. That's when you can sell it again. Until then, adios amigos. Okay, pound yen short. This is a bit different. I still wanted this one to be up here. I actually closed it, maybe out of fear and my sleep. That should still make me in this trade, and I just saw this move. I'm like, okay, this one is going higher. Got stopped out by my own fear. Did lose a lot, but yeah, that's my fear. So this area is still holding everything here, okay? That's like a big red line, still holding everything down. Now you have a new low. Now you have a pullback. Where do you think that will happen? Do you think that will happen? I always love it to come up here though, touching at least this high here. Or I think this is just, what do you call it, this what do you call it, guys? A wedge? Is that what you call it? This is a wedge? I can't remember what you guys call it anymore. And then we'll just fall. Yeah, okay. Short side. That's, yeah, okay, crap. Sorry. Wash my mouth. Okay, that's the sell area for the week. So you should be in profit. Or stopped out, okay? If you're stopped out here, okay. I'm not blaming you, because you're still fighting it a bit early. I'm not fighting it until Thursday or Friday, okay? And on Friday, I still see that before settling down again. It's just because it happened last year. I don't know what the news was, if anybody knows, the news of 3rd of May last year. But I still need to be open for that. And so maybe one entry here and one entry up here on Thursday, maybe. We shall see where we are. Can we please look at gold? We can do that, Prince. I just want to see the short side. So short is still available, still on the table. And we still have target of 131. Though this week is not performing as you would like and love and all that. Maybe next week, maybe next month will provide better. Or you can just go that. Oops, it is. Maybe you could just go straight tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, down, 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 down. Okay. But until then, we don't know. Okay. So is this a new low? Yeah, I'm still playing. This is a very clear wedge formation thing, so I'm still playing that. So I'm leaving it until I don't need this one to fall right now. I don't want it to fall down right now, and I'm not going to force it to fall down. I think we still maybe have a new high, like just to clear out all those sellers, buyers, get them in, clear sellers, then go down. I think that's most viable. Yeah, that's a wedge. Okay, good. Then what was asked for? Mima, are you satisfied with that? Does it calm you, or you're like, to hear that I say I don't need to trade it? We, me and you, we don't need to trade this. And we still need to wait for Thursday and Friday to happen before we can make any movements on this. This one is not mature for falling, okay? It's not, yeah, it's not mature enough for me. Gold, goldie, gold digger, gold digger, gold digger, gold digger. This is the, what do you call it? This is the arrows I did on Sunday. So what do we have here? We have pullback to sell again. We have an entry here to buy, and it all depends on what you are, buyer or seller. And it's not like anything, it's not like this one will win and this one will lose, but it's just what it looks like. So what do we want to see next week? We want to see dollar strength, so this might come down next week, next month. But do your analysis. I don't know what it did in May last year. That's what I want you to do, okay? So right now it's a bit somewhere. It has just hold this resistance. It has just hold this support. It has held this support. And so far we're still in a range until we break out. Ibrahim says, I'm desperately in need of a gold strategy. Okay. Now, when we always like to help, okay, more energy. We need to help this guy, okay? So what do we do? How do we cook together a strategy for gold that is amazing, powerful, give profits every single day, every single week, every single month? My Discord channel has help for you. Well, I'm telling you that you need to choose a direction. One, buyer or seller. Choose that for the year, for the month, whatever. Choose a direction. You have chosen gold, okay, fine. Then you need to look at my reversal strategy here on YouTube. I can't do that right now. So there's a reversal strategy on my channel, on this channel. Number 4, you need to look at my strategy video that I posted last Friday, still up to this moment. So once you look at my strategy, you look at my reversal, you can look at the price action video that I have on YouTube, and then you can come to my Discord channel, and we will help you. But you will only have to look for either buy or sell, and only that. Also, I'm not calling a gold a widowmaker at the moment, but it's very, let's say, difficult trading times for gold. And gold is not really a day trading instrument. It's an investment for those with large amounts. It's available for you, but do you want to trade against central banks and governments? Surely? Okay. Enjoy. I'm not forcing you. Gold really is a pair or a currency or a metal that really goes in one direction once it finds a direction. And it can be bullish and bearish at the same time depending on the eyes looking. So for you, need to be very firm about your stop losses, your entry, your bias, your direction, and keep to that and only look for buy setups. Once you got the buy setups in a buy market, then you can buy. This is currently a buy market. Fine, go ahead. If you're a seller, you need to wait for a reversal pattern. This could be a reversal pattern. This could be a reversal pattern. All of this could be a reversal pattern. But you need to look at my video, okay? Please, help yourself. It's free and available. Doesn't cost anything at all. And here, you know what I just said? I didn't sell you anything. I just gave you knowledge that you can get for free. What's good, Shroom? When are you going to explain about EURUSD? I have done EURUSD, so if you want to go back in this video, that was the first pair I did. Aussie dollar, Thomas says, okay. So what are we on gold? Gold is bearish if you want it to be bearish. Maybe you should wait for Friday, 1st of May. I think that's maybe a good day. Let it play out. Let the other players play it for you. I find it kind of sideways, kind of in the middle. I don't know. Do you want to trade in a market where I say I don't know? Maybe not. So Ibrahim, you need to give me some feedback. Other people are talking for you. So, any likes for that? I didn't sell you anything, did I? I could sell you something, but I don't need to sell you something. Because if I want to sell you something, I can. But if you want to buy my services, you can come to me and ask for them, and you can gladly pay for them. But if you don't want them, I'm not going to. Marmima says pound yen could be. I will wait for pound yen. Good, awesome. No FOMO there then. USD yen I think broke support at 106.954. Now back to retest. Do you think we can learn? Do you think we can learn to that? Okay. So gold, what is really gold doing right now? I believe that we might still hit 770 on gold before falling. Okay. Just saying that loud and clear. Then we had USD yen, just to do Mima. Yeah, okay. So the question is this your entry? Is this your entry? Is this your entry? Okay. I see multiple entries, potential short opportunities. Okay. Yes, it has broken. It broke here. That's when it broke. That's the retest. That's really the trade entry. And then we just went down today, and then we have gotten a pullback then. And then we might do a bigger pullback now. So here you are at risk, and this is really the entry. This is even a better entry. But since we have consolidation, you need a new low. That's where you have it. Now you're at bigger risk because whatever we will do now the last few days to appropriate for May, could this send it up before selling down again? Maybe. So this entry here is more risky, though we have broken support, we have made a pullback, yes. And I don't know the future, by the way. Please CAD yen. Okay. Well, Shroom, do you have any pairs today? EURUSD I did. Aussie dollar I can do. That's okay. Oh, I did that. Okay, so what? First of all, Thomas, we have taken profit for the week. That's a buy. Boom. Now you can just do whatever you want. If you want it to reverse, you need a new low back to this support, then retesting this high, then you'd have a new low challenging this low, then you need a pullback, then you can sell it off. So if you want to sell it, that's what you want to see. Right now, as a buyer, you are like, bye bye. You are done, done, done. Also, if it breaks 65, 66 area, it's really at support right now, really at strong support. If it breaks a bit above, we're going to continue higher, but I feel like we are just where it's supposed to be when it comes to the continuation of this down move. So this is really critical times right now on Aussie dollar. Really critical times. If it starts falling now, we might going back to 55. Okay? Aussie is so far being the most positive one because they have the least impact of the coronavirus and is most likely to be the first one to open back up again. But as we know for May, we fall in May on Aussie dollar, so it's really, 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 really important time. Then USD CAD. Okay, so what did I say? Seller, you need to wait. Buyer, you're done. Aussie USD CAD. I have said end target is 139, and 139 for buyers is also the entry. So when price comes down, touches, takes a pullback, makes a double bottom, higher high, higher low, boom! That's what I see. Doesn't need to happen. That's what I see. So it's ready to test this level, but it's really where profit taking is happening. What happens to profit taking? That means it makes it go up. Is it going to go up forever? I don't know. But if it breaks below, we are really now bearish. So critical time for Aussie, for USD CAD, for gold, and everybody else. Critical time, I mean for the next months. Yeah, for the next months. CAD yen, Betty. I can do CAD yen. CAD yen is in the middle of nowhere, not doing anything at all. Nothing to be said here. It's in a channel. This is a channel. We have a top. We have a bottom. And that was really a bad top. And we're doing nothing. The channel height is 300 pips, I guess. 400. Okay. So we're doing nothing, and there's nothing to do, and there's no target to be done. I don't know what it's going to do. Maybe it's going to fall, but I don't want it higher before falling, so maybe target should be 77,300 before falling in May. I haven't done USOIL shroom. I can do it. So Thomas, can you give me feedback on what I said? I want some feedback, people. Only 6 likes? I'm giving you so much value and information, and I'm only getting 6 likes for that? Come on, people. What are you being so cheeky about? Have I stolen your heart? What's going on? No, but surely, people. 6 likes. We were 21 people. Okay. Well, let's continue giving value then. More value, more value, more value. So I hope, Betty, this is going higher before selling in May. But it's still range bound. So for me, it's not trending. It shouldn't be traded at the moment. Because it's not moving at all. So yeah. New Zealand yen has been requested. I have apparently done something like this. So I did this on Sunday. Look at that. I haven't really done that. Ooh, ouch. That's really good, really good arrows. Boom, people. It just didn't follow through. Sorry. But wow. Oh, nice. Okay. Good morning, America. So what do we have here? We can actually say that we have a range sideways. It's almost like this is like a hot bath kind of situation, but it doesn't change a trend. It's sideways, so it's interesting. This is also a hot bath, and if you are my student, you know what I'm talking about. So this is a bigger one, and this is a smaller one, but still the same. And I still feel like I want to back up to 60, well, 65 or 66 before falling. But it's not performing as I would love to. So we shall see closer to Thursday. We will do a live monthly Forex forecast for the entire month of May. Before even May happens, we're going to look at sell prices, sell targets, and we're talking about hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips per pair. So if you have dollar, you can have maybe up to 1,000 pips. Forecasted for you, trade setups for you, trade plans for you. Skål to that. So, who was it? Judy. It's in the middle of nowhere. What do I mean by that? It doesn't trend. It's not really clear. Yeah. I wanted to go higher, so if you're a bot, maybe, but it's really at risk with that new low there. It's really at risk with that new low there. Maybe it's a sell coming back up to selling here. Okay, fine. If you want to sell it here, I'm not selling it myself personally, even though I'm a seller. But yeah, potentially that could be the plan actually. But is that a plan A? And then this is a plan B then. Did you do USOIL? I can do USOIL. Okay. So what do we see here? What do we see here, people? So is that what you can call a double bottom? Maybe. What do you need after double bottom? You need a new high and a pullback. How does it look at 4 hour? So this is what I've drawn. This is kind of where we are now, down at the leg. Can this fall further? Yes, it can. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, we just have to wait for USOIL. Nothing has changed fundamentally. Nothing has changed technically. We just have to wait for it to go higher if you want to buy it. And if you were a seller, I said that was resistance on Sunday. Congratulations, people. You have $5 in profit, 50 pips or whatever, 50 units or whatever it is. So yeah, amazing. Awesome. Thank you. That's amazing. We have 9 likes. Okay, I still have a lot of people to convince. What do those people who haven't liked yet? What do you want to see? Do you want to see me dance? Do you want to see me sing? Do you want to see me give you so much value, so much information you can't even handle it? I can give you some stories. I can tell you how well of a trader I am. Aussie New Zealand. We have been requested by Abdallah Musa. Okay. Not a favorite, I must say. Okay. Here we have it. This is what I did on Sunday. So if you're a bull, I think that's what this is what is very eminent. Just taking away the, okay, that one, okay. So what I did here was, if you're a bull, this is the first entry. This is the plan B. Okay, plan B happened. Then when plan B happens, you have a new high. Then you have a pullback. Then you have an entry here again. Then you have a new high. Then you have a pullback. That didn't happen. Sorry. And now we have take profit. What else can you ask for? Done. Boom. Okay. Fine. Good. Awesome. Continue. Next one. Are you at resistance? Yes, you are, mate. That's resistance. I can see that, and I can see that. So what do you want to see, really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need a pullback. What is US first quarter GDP, whatever that is? You need a pullback back to this support here before you can start buying again. Maybe that's a bit high. Low, I mean, but still. That's what you want to see at least. Take profit is hit this week, but there's nothing else I can do for you. USD SAR, okay, well, something else happened. Thank you for the tough efforts. Though, tough efforts. You are doing appreciated. Thank you, Mohammed. $11, not bad. I don't know what that is, but I guess it's likes. So, okay, good. We're better. We're better. We have now given you so much value that you actually thought of, this could be something. Okay, then we have, do you live trade, Ibrahim? What's your favorite pair to trade? Oh, personal stuff, eh? There's going to be personal stuff today. So I don't live trade for you. I don't give you live trades. But I can go to my my Discord channel. And we can go say, where does that, what have I sent in the Discord channel? I have said TP reached today on pound Swizzy. I have talked about pound dollar going lower. We have talked about setups. So really, in my Discord channel is where you can know where I have taken trades. I don't trade live. I don't show my trades, but I don't think that would make you a better trader. Maybe it will make you more jealous. And jealous is not a positive thing. So yeah. So yeah, and I give updates on my trades. So yeah, I think that's really I really think that's where the place you're supposed to be. So enjoy that. Did I just bail out? No. Okay, something happened. Okay, did we lose you? Come on, mate. What happened? Come on, surely. Still with me? Okay. Now I apparently get a good connection. Hey. So what happens now then, people? Why are we not moving? I like to move it. Okay, so you're still with me, okay? It's just that my screen has frozen for some crazy reason. My phone has. Okay. Then if you guys can hear me, then we're all good. Then we're going back to it though. Okay, fine. You can hear me, but my face is frozen. That is the craziest thing ever. Why is that? Okay, I can see myself moving on my phone. Okay. Then we are doing a radio show with Ivan Beadle. Okay. I can see myself now. Okay, good. Can you see me? I'm moving. I'm dancing. I'm not naked, but I'm dancing. Okay, we're good. So where did we go now? Where did we skip? USD SAR prints. What's happening in USD SAR? Okay, so USD SAR is surely going lower. That's good. So that was today, this morning. It really fell like a ton of bricks after making a new low. That is good. That's resistance. Now we just have resistance there, and then we're going lower. That's good. Good news. Can you still see me? Yeah, that's good, mate. Well, the delay is like... Yeah, I'm just checking. Okay, the seriously delayed though. Okay, anyways, so that's kind of what's happening on USD SAR. Yeah, then that's that. So what else? It's a sell, basically, and I only sell USD SAR. So yeah, that's what's happening there. Then we have what? S&P 500, SPY, SPX, XPY, SPX. So that's the 618 retracement. So yeah, basically that's where you would look for this one to fall again. So as I said, very important number between 50 and 618% retracement. Very importante. So any higher now just looks to be this bullish move higher. So around 29.50, we are really like going like higher. So yeah, that's up to that. You saw the dance, Molly. Oh, sorry. Then, okay, good. We are really like 1 minute left after me or something like that. So SPX, that's happening. We're really edge critical. You need a new low before selling, maybe some kind of reversal. I don't know how this one works even, but yeah, heading lower at least towards 2800 before you do anything about that. Are we going to wait for plan B on EURUSD? Yes, surely we're going to wait for USD plan B. That's what I want to see. Yeah, so who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Who said it? Mohammed, yeah. Wait, I want plan B to happen. Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Euro. So Euro has an interest rate meeting this week. And guess what, people? Euro has just hit my take profit zone, Euro Aussie. So Euro Aussie is done. Finito finale for this week, for what I have said at least. And I just want to find out, when was that interest rate decision for Euro? Was it Wednesday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. When is the interest rate for Euro? Was it Thursday? It's all grand finale on Thursday. Okay, so we still have some. We still have some for, but yeah. Yeah. Then EURUSD. I don't do EURUSD. EURUSD is just a still sideways movement. So what I want you to do is a week. It's a week trade. I've made a WW week wink, which is a pig trade. Pig trade is a, so to explain it, nothing wrong with pigs or anything or that statue, but wink is what I feel like I'm saying. So pig trade in terms of where traders get slaughtered in a sense of they enter into a market, forcing a trade that is not necessarily a good trade just to get profits, but they end up um, hitting stop loss or taking loss or losing a lot because they entered in the wrong market condition, a wrong trade, at the wrong entry, and it wasn't where buyers or sellers was supposed to. So in this market, we made a new low here to profit back up. That's really the last thing that was good happening to EURUSD. So hopefully get some Euro bearishness soon. Yeah, that's what I want to see though. Yeah. Do you think Aussie CPI report will have big impact? If it really disappoints, yeah, and it can send the Aussie spiraling down, yeah, because so what really happens to Aussie at the moment, people, okay? What really happens to Aussie at the moment is that Aussie is pumped up on the hope that this is a good investment at the moment. Hope. Once hard facts like CPI comes in and crashes and slashes and like sends it through the floor, you will have a reaction, not just a reaction for a candle or two, maybe even for May. Okay? So if it really disappoints tomorrow, if it's really bad CPI, I don't know what the who asked it? Who asked it? Sammy, can you tell me the anticipation? So they want it to be around 2%, I guess. That's their aim. So can you tell me what the consensus is? Go to fxstreet.com or something and tell me what the consensus is. Then that is something to look out for, generally. Vivek, I have done gold today. So if you want to rewind this video, and I can just tell you very quickly that is sideways. It could be bearish at the moment. It could be bullish at the moment. So this is the bullish area entry. This is the bearish entry area. And yeah, that's that. It's in the middle of, so it just depends who wins. We don't know who, maybe somebody, but it's consolidating some today. Then we shall see tomorrow maybe. But until that, I don't know. As I've seen buyers, sellers, depending what. DXY. Pascal, hi. Hi, Pascal. Long time no see. DXY. First of all, question, people. Where do we want DXY to go? Is it higher or is it lower? This one looks to me that is absolutely in what do you call these people? Wedge? Is that what you guys call it now? You know what I say? I'm just asking you as experts on this kind of setups, which I'm not. So I'm asking you in a humble opinion, what is it? This is the reversal. This is the new low. This is the pullback. This is the higher low. This is not a new high. So to me, and my humble opinion, it seems to be doing this. Because of this series of higher lows, no new high, that is seen to be bullish setup. But of course it can fall. But what I can see right now, technically, is going higher. And that supports my case, because I want it to rise in May. So, all good. 0.2. Ouch! Ow! CPI. Oh, man. Oh, that's really low. Oh, okay. That's really low. Gosh. So the target is, whatever they do, target is, yeah, you're closer now. So 0.2% is really, really, really low. It should be 2%. And maybe they will put in more measures for that to happen. It seems like the market is acting positively to that, but generally it should make it fall. But also, taking into consideration, it's already fallen so much that, but yeah, surely they might find a reason to fall, to make it fall from here. Yeah, surely, sure. I don't know who said it. Was it Gary V? Gary Vaynerchuk? He's not an economist, but he said that we're just in the beginning. I think it was him, or it was Tom, someone who had a live chat today. I just heard in the grocery store that we're just in the beginning of the suffering. So if we're in the beginning of a recession, this is really like the high peak to sell from, a second entry. So yeah, that's that. Hi, Pratik Ndugu. Amundugu. Extending triangle. All ZAR pairs seems to be forming a hot bath. Okay. You kind of want a hot bath. Well, it's actually quite hot right nowadays here, so hot bath isn't too bad. What is it, around 20, 17 in April? That's amazing temperatures, by the way. Oh, it's Jarman. Oh, it's Ben. Ben, you have to change. You have to change your name. I'm like wondering, who is this French guy? French, la French, le Guidois, right? But it's I can see your last name now. Fine. Hi, Ben. Welcome. You've really taken that hot bath into something. So where is a hot bath? Where is a hot bath? Okay. Can I see if I can find something for you? Okay, this one is opposite. This is opposite though. This is really this is really in. This one is reversed. This is a hot bath, okay? So it's slowly going into a hot bath. When a hot bath is too hot, you're like, you're really slowly going in, and then so it's slowly going higher, stopping, and then you're like in, and then release. Okay, so it's, oh, come on, mate. So it's a slow moving reversal. Is that the best explanation for everyone to understand? This could be one inverse one. So this is another one. Yeah, this is another one. All right, done with the hot bath. So just looking at this, just at resistance, and it's really extending now. Yeah, good. Well, I got laid. What's your suggestion? Use the yen. I think it's going to sell off in May, so any high would be appreciated. It hasn't reached take profit for this week, Pratik, but you're very close and you're very late on USDN if you haven't got an entry yet. So set your TP, be done, go away, look at something else, look at your beautiful face, look at beautiful women, look at your wife, I don't know, something. Instead of looking at USDN, EURUSD, pound USD is not performing. Dollar is not performing. Dollar is not as weak as I want it to be. Okay, that's that. Yes, mate. It's been raining all day and 10 degrees. Well, I can say the sky. So yes, mate. It's been raining as well today, but not so much. Aussie consensus is 2%. That can't be true. If one is 0.2% and the other one is 2%, that doesn't make sense, people. Okay, then we have to do it ourselves then. Non-Aussie. I can't remember which one it is. CPI is 0.2% Vivek, which is absolutely terrible. It's Q over Q, but over the year. Oh, okay, it's Q over Q. So year over year is 2% consensus. Oh, okay. So you looked at two different ones. Okay, but it's really quarter after quarter that is really important here. That's 0.2%. Okay, that would be 2% a year. Okay, so then that's okay. Then I have to revise my statement saying it is what they would normally expect, but this is CPI, not indexed for. The consensus is not taking into consideration the impact of the coronavirus. But yeah, if that's the consensus and that's what they're pricing in 2%, then of course it should rise because that's on target. That's good. If 2% is what normally is. Side no. Aussie is rising, is on uptrend. It's not declining at all. But I'm saying if it's ever going to fall for longer time, for the next months, it's really now, this week, it should start falling again. So really, at this level here, and if it doesn't, then the only thing that will take it back down again at those heights is just pullbacks and not really new trends. Yes, my yeah. You are short Aussie dollar. There's no reason to be short Aussie dollar. It is going upwards. So for you to be looking at going up on Aussie dollar, there's no reason for that. You should be out, taking loss, go away, do something better with your money, investment, and all that. Shenanigans. Pound Swissy has taken profit this week. Amazing! So what do we want to see here? I just want to do it for you. We want it to come back up again. Then you low, then pull back, then we can sell it. What X? PD USD. So Palladium, okay. Which other things do you want me to cover, people? Which other things do you want me to cover? Here we have 15 likes. We have 22 people looking. So there's still people I want to impress or give value to or give knowledge to. You guys have to ask questions so I can give you a reason to hit that like and subscribe. If you're new, I know Ehad, Syed, you're new, I believe so. And who else is new today? Pascal, I guess you are not new, you're old. You're my grand old. So Prince, Uduro, have you subscribed to my channel? Not that subscribers is any value to me, but I need people that I can help. That's where I get my high, and that's where I feel like I've helped people, is when I've done something well, I've helped people. That's really what you wanted to see. And I don't know what this thing is. What is the fundamental drivers of Palladium? And this price is down up on 16th for some other reasons we don't really know. Okay. You have to look into fundamental reasons for what makes Palladium move. And to me, this is just technical charts for no reason at all. And maybe going back to that before going higher again, maybe. Hi, Solo. Euro New Zealand. Hamad says USD Yen might be a fake. Might be fake. Breakout. Euro New Zealand. Who did Euro New Zealand? Rosen, have you subscribed and liked to my channel? I haven't seen you before, not that I'm excellent in my brain. And if you have been here before, please shout out and say, Ivan, you are the best trader ever. Thank you. It's not trending Euro New Zealand. There's nothing else to do unless you have a new low, then the pullback, then you can trade it, but not until then. I think I did something on this one on Sunday, did I? Oh, that's amazing. Ooh, okay. I said sell from here. Oh, nice. It held my line even. Ooh, nice. I like that. I let you move it, but you need a new low before selling again. I have done EURUSD. I think I did it, but yeah, it's done. I have done it. It's at support. You need a pullback before you can sell it again. Unless you already have a trade, just hold it. And this one, people, is just weak. But it's Aussie driven, this one. Euro is weak, yes. But this is resistance. Now it's just trending lower and lower and lower and lower. Okay. 66 was my target, so it's around the target now. Then what else do we want to see? It's Wednesday, it's Tuesday today, so then yeah, okay. It doesn't need to do anything more this week really for me. It was a run of 200 pips. I don't know what it normally do, but that sounds like a good deal for this week. Rosen, good, awesome. So why am I here on this YouTube channel? Why are we talking here? I'm here to help you, pure only. I don't need to be live. I don't need to talk to you at all. I don't need to talk to anyone at all. But I'm here to help you, to make you a better trader, and in the end, maybe a successful Forex trader. That's my goal. Okay? Doing this for free, not charging you anything. So really take notes of what I'm saying, what the knowledge I'm giving you, and surely but smallly you have taken a lot of notes, you summarize it, you look through it, what did I even say, how can I take it into my trading, how can I become better from this. So I have said that's your sell entry this week. This could have been your sell entry, but this is really the entry because this is range, this is a new low, this is the pullback. Good, sell it. That's your target. Now you're really at. It's not a lot of pips left, is it? 48 pips. What stop loss? Stop loss of 50. 40 again. So that's 1-to-1. That's really not a good trade. So I would just let it play out before you can really get a pullback. So what I've said that maybe it comes back up to 107.40, 30 before falling again up here on Friday. And I think it's going to sell off in May. But is this a fake out? It's a new low, but it's at a target. So if you feel like that's a target and it will make it go higher, yes, that's definitely then a fake out. Are you going to fight for 40 pips of a new trade? Not the best trade I've ever heard in my entire life. So let's us leave USD Yen until it has done something that we can talk about, because it's been trending not been trending ever since 15th of April. Hasn't moved any pips at all since 1st of April. That's a whole month of range. Come on, people. Is this what you want to trade? A channel? We're trend traders. We make money in trends. When you go when price does this, that's how you make money. Buy, buy, buy. And then we say buy, buy, X2. Okay? We say buy, 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 buy. SAR JPY, I don't have that one. German. Then yeah, that's a hot bath, and it's made a new high. So you can say that's your entry here. Okay, good. Enjoy. Now you just need a new high above this one here. Then you can take that one high. Entry, 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 entry. I hope you remember USOIL at 19. Awesome, Vivek. Awesome. So, people, what else can I ask from you? So, once this video is done and uploaded again, it might take a day. I don't know what happens to YouTube, but please come back, write what you have learned in the comment section, not now, in the comment section when it becomes a video again, so that me, YouTube, all knows what you have learned in this video, or just say thank you. That's what would help the YouTube algorithm making this video even more popular, because do I need to become popular? No. Do I need to help more people? Yes. How do I do that? By YouTube showing it to more people. Okay? So please analyze your Aussie New Zealand. I think I did it, and it was take profit. Is it to take profit? The trade is over, the buy is over, you need to wait for it to turn again, to sell if you want to sell it. So it's not a buy for buyers, not a sell for sellers, so there's not to be traded at all. Sorry, mate. That's life, mate. So thank you guys for joining today. I think I have done a lot. Connor says pound cards. I can do that last, okay? Last one coming in today. Do very shortly, very quickly. Yeah, it's trading, going lower as I wanted to do. Just that one. Yeah, okay, good. Entry to sell at resistance, makes a new low, sell there, makes a new low, sell there. Target is 172.30 on the way. On the way. Where? Hey, German, you're supposed to call me Viking, Pipmaster. Where's the Viking? So, thank you guys for joining. Don't risk money you cannot afford to lose. Don't enter trade you should not be in. Have a trade plan. Have a proven track record of demo trades that you can show. I mean, look, this